Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this stunning approved used Audi Q2 Sport 30 TFSI. It comes dressed in the striking Navara blue, sure to turn heads when on the road, and at the time of this recording the vehicle has done just 429 miles. Standing on 17-inch alloy wheels with the 5 double spoke design making a bold statement. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze when those hands are full. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish cloth upholstery with an ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. As you take a look around, there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the cloth upholstery and a centre armrest for those longer journeys. Behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from, connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones, and a wide view of the navigation map so no need to take your eyes off the road. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps, for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu, with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode such as Dynamic for a more sporty drive or Comfort for those longer journeys. Driver Assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Telephone to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations. And the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination with confidence and ease. Below, you have the manual air conditioning so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature. Stay connected with the 12-volt charging point, 2 handy cup holders for those morning coffees, and the manual gearbox with electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to the car's profile. This approved used Audi Q2 is now available and on site. For more information, please contact our sales team today, who'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.